Have you ever wondered if the products you buy are helping or harming our planet? You're not alone. A huge shift is happening right now. A powerful movement where our shopping choices are reshaping the future of business. Welcome to the rise of sustainable business and eco-conscious consumerism. So, what exactly does sustainability mean for a company? It's not just about planting a few trees. It's a three-part harmony. Protecting the environment, caring for people, and making a profit. Think of it as a three-legged stool. If one leg is weak, the whole thing topples over. Environmentally, it's about reducing pollution and conserving resources. Socially, it's about fair labor practices and supporting communities. Economically, it means building a resilient business that can thrive for decades to come, not just for the next quarter. This balance isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. It's essential for long-term survival and success. The market is speaking loud and clear. More and more of us are demanding greener, more ethical products. From the coffee we drink to the clothes we wear, we're looking at the story behind the brand. Nielsen reports show that products marketed as sustainable are growing over 5 times faster than those that aren't. This isn't just a trend. It's a fundamental change in consumer values. Businesses that ignore this are getting left behind, while those that adapt are finding incredible new opportunities. They're realizing that going green is a direct path to getting more green in the bank. A core principle of sustainability is resource efficiency. It's about doing more with less. Smart companies are re-engineering their entire supply chains to minimize waste. They're asking tough questions. Can we use less water? Can we reduce our packaging? Can we turn our waste into a new resource? This isn't just about being good to the planet. It's also incredibly good for the bottom line. Every bit of waste you eliminate is essentially money you're no longer throwing away. It's a win-win, creating a leaner, more competitive, and more environmentally friendly operation. Fueling this green revolution is a wave of innovative technology. Think about it. Solar panels powering factories, artificial intelligence optimizing delivery routes to cut fuel consumption, and 3D printing creating products with almost zero waste. We're seeing new materials made from mushrooms or algae that can replace plastic. Renewable energy is becoming cheaper and more accessible than ever, allowing businesses to power their operations cleanly. These technologies aren't science fiction. They're practical tools that are making sustainability achievable and affordable for companies of all sizes, fundamentally reducing their environmental footprint. This shift is also giving rise to exciting new business models. Take the circular economy. For example, instead of the old take, make, dispose model, it's all about reduce, reuse, recycle. Companies are designing products to be easily repaired, refurbished, or broken down into raw materials for new products. Patagonia's Wornwear program, which encourages customers to trade in and buy used gear, is a perfect example. Then there are social enterprises, businesses that exist primarily to solve social or environmental problems. Their main goal isn't just profit, but positive impact. These models prove that you can build a successful company that does good in the world. But how can you, as a consumer, trust that a company is genuinely sustainable and not just green? That's where certifications come in. Look for labels like B Corporation, which certifies that a company meets high standards of social and environmental performance, accountability, and transparency, or ISO 14001. An international standard for environmental management. Fair trade ensures workers are paid fairly. These certifications act as a trusted third-party stamp of approval, helping you make informed choices and giving credible companies a competitive edge. Of course, if a company is doing all this great work, they need to tell people about it. But sustainable marketing is a delicate art. It's not about shouting "we're green" from the rooftops. It's about authentic storytelling. It's about being transparent with your customers, about your journey, both the successes and the challenges. Brands like Allbirds have built a massive following by focusing on their use of natural materials and their commitment to carbon neutrality. Effective marketing builds a community around shared values, attracting loyal customers who become brand ambassadors because they believe in the company's mission. True sustainability extends beyond the factory walls and into the community. The most forward-thinking businesses are actively engaging with the places they operate in. This could mean sponsoring local environmental cleanups, partnering with local nonprofits, or creating educational programs. When a company invests in its community, it builds a powerful bond of trust and loyalty. People want to support businesses that are making their neighborhoods better places to live. It strengthens community ties and creates a positive feedback loop of goodwill. What gets measured, gets managed. This old business mantra is truer than ever in sustainability. Companies can't improve what they don't track. That's why measuring environmental and social impact is critical. They use specific metrics and tools to track things like their carbon footprint, water usage, waste diversion rates, and employee satisfaction. This data provides a clear picture of where they are succeeding and where they need to improve. It allows them to set ambitious goals and hold themselves accountable, ensuring that their sustainability efforts are making a real, quantifiable difference. Finally, none of this is possible without the people inside the company. A sustainable business needs a sustainable culture. This starts with education and training. Employees at every level, from the CEO to the frontline worker, need to understand why sustainability is important and what their role is in achieving it. When employees feel empowered to suggest new ideas for saving energy or reducing waste, you unlock a powerful engine for innovation. It fosters a culture of shared responsibility, where everyone is working together towards a common, positive goal. The rise of sustainable business isn't just about saving the planet. It's about building a better, more resilient, and more equitable world for everyone. As consumers, our choices have power. Every dollar we spend is a vote for the kind of world we want to live in. By supporting businesses that prioritize people and the planet, we are fueling a revolution that is changing the face of capitalism itself. The future of business is green, it's ethical, and it's happening right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this inspiring, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content on building a better future, and share this video with someone who cares. Let us know in the comments what your favorite sustainable brand is. See you next time.